Hey guys, Rob from myppctraining.com, and today I just want to go through briefly what negative keywords are. I have an entire playlist on our channel dedicated to negative keywords, so I'm not going to go crazy in depth into this. If you want to know about negative keywords in more in depth and all about the match types and stuff like that, go to the playlist on our channel and you'll see you can have your fill of all the content you want about negative keywords. But I just want to touch on briefly this topic of just what is a negative keyword. Okay, how are they used? So let's say we got our campaign running here. You can see we have our white label PPC agency campaign. But you know what? For sake of a better example, let's go into our demo account here. Go into our Philadelphia roofing campaign. And you can see here the ad groups we're going after for the Philadelphia roofing campaign are like flat roof repair, roof leak repair, roofing companies, roofing contractors, stuff like that. So all our keywords are going to be all about these topics underneath each ad group. If we go and look at negative keywords essentially are keywords you're pasting it under negative keywords here. And these are keywords that you're telling Google, I do not want my ads to trigger or show when this word is involved in any type of search query. So even if someone types in roofing contractor career and we're bidding on the term roofing contractor, if the word career is in that search query, our ads are not going to trigger. So what we're doing is mitigating the damage that Google throws at us when we run our AdWords campaigns and use different match types, like if you use broad match or modified broad match or sometimes even phrase. This type of stuff can pop into your search query and your ads will show for it. And if someone clicks on it and they do click on it, I know it's wild, but they do. You'll waste whatever $15, $10, whatever the cost per click you're paying is for your campaign. So negative keywords are essential to running an AdWords campaign. You have to have them to just kind of tell Google, like, all this stuff I do not want my ads to show for. And this is going to help you reduce wasted ad spend and just streamline your campaigns. All right, so you can see here, chimney, clay, college. These are all keywords we don't want our ads to ever show for. So if any one of these words is in a search query that's typed into Google, even if it's a term we're bidding on, like roofing contractor, roofing leak repair, or whatever, if this word is somewhere in the search query, our ads will not show for it. And that's very, very important that you guys have a big list of negative keywords. All right, so go to our channel and watch the negative keyword playlist, and I show you how to find them, how the different match types work, stuff like that. And just real quick, if you want to add negative keywords in your campaign, like I said, you just come under keywords, come up here to negative keywords, and then you just hit this plus sign, add negative keywords or create a new list, make sure you're in the right campaign, and just paste your keywords in here, and you hit save, and then they just drop into your negative list. And that's really it. So if you guys have any questions about negative keywords, drop them below this video. Don't forget to go look at our negative keyword playlist on our YouTube channel. And besides that, make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're dropping daily content now on AdWords, so there's going to be a lot of cool stuff to come. And also check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you guys.